Hello and welcome. I am Tarun. Today we will practice very easy English. Our topic is family. We will go slow, very slow. If you are a beginner, that is perfect. Listen, repeat, and do not worry about mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Let us begin with the main word, family, family. Say it with me, family. One more time, family. Here is a simple sentence. This is my family. Again, this is my family. Good. Now the next word, mother. Mother. Listen again. Mother. You say it. Good. A simple sentence. This is my mother. Again, this is my mother. Next word, father. Father. Say it slowly. Father. Good. Sentence. This is my father. Again, this is my father. Now two more words. Sister. Sister. Brother. Brother. Good. Let us use short sentences. This is my sister. This is my sister. I have one brother. I have one brother. Sometimes I like to group words. It helps the brain, a bit like putting pens in the right box. Sorry, tiny tangent. Back to it. Mother and father. These two words can become one word, parents, parents. Say it, parents. Again, parents. Simple sentence, my parents are here. Again, my parents are here. Let us review. Listen first. Mother, father, sister, brother, parents, family. Now you repeat. Mother, father, sister, brother, parents, family. Nice work. Now very easy questions. You can answer with one word or one short sentence. Ready? Who is your mother? You can say, this is my mother. Who is your father? You can say, this is my father. Do you have a sister? You can say, yes, I do. Or, no, I do not. Do you have a brother? Yes, I do. No, I do not. Now a short speaking drill. I say it first, then you say it. This is my mother. This is my father. This is my sister. This is my brother. My parents are kind. This is my family. Let us do one more review, slow and clear. Mother. Father. Sister. Brother. Parents. Family. Excellent. If a word feels difficult, that is okay. Listen again, repeat again. Slow practice is strong practice. Before we move on, answer these. How many brothers do you have? You can say, I have one brother, or I have two brothers, or I have no brothers. How many sisters do you have? I have one sister. I have two sisters. I have no sisters. Very good. In the next part, we will learn more family words. Welcome back. Now we learn more family words. These words are also useful. Grandmother, grandfather, baby, child, son, and daughter. We will go one by one. Listen first, then repeat. First word, grandmother. Grandmother. It is a long word, yes, so let us say it slowly. Grandmother. Grandmother. Good. Simple sentence. My grandmother is kind. Again, my grandmother is kind. Next word, grandfather. Grandfather. Slowly, grandfather. Grandfather. Good. Sentence. My grandfather is old. Again, my grandfather is old. Now two small words, baby and child. First, baby. Baby. Sentence. The baby is small. Again, the baby is small. Next, child. Child. Sentence. The child is happy. Again, the child is happy. Now son and daughter. First, son. Son. Sentence. He is my son. Again, he is my son. Next, daughter. Daughter. Say it slowly. Daughter. Daughter. Sentence. She is my daughter. Again, she is my daughter. Let us put the words in a list. Listen. Grandmother, grandfather, baby, child, son, daughter. Now you repeat. Grandmother, grandfather, baby, child, son, daughter. Now some easy meaning practice. Grandmother is your mother's mother or your father's mother. Grandfather is your mother's father or your father's father. A baby is very young. A child is young. A son is a boy in a family. A daughter is a girl in a family. Short definitions help. Keep them simple. Now let us make very easy comparison sentences. My grandmother is kind. My grandfather is old. The baby is small. The child is happy. He is my son. She is my daughter. Good. Time for questions. Answer in your own words. Do you have a sister? Yes, I do. No, I do not. Do you have a brother? Yes, I do. No, I do not. Do you have a grandmother? Do you have a grandfather? You can answer, yes, I do, or no, I do not. Now a useful question. How many people are in your family? Listen to some answers. There are 3 people in my family. There are 4 people in my family. There are 5 people in my family. Good. You try now. How many people are in your family? One more short drill. I ask, you answer. Is your grandmother kind? Is your grandfather old? Is there a baby in your family? Do you have a son? Do you have a daughter? Very nice. Let us review all the new words once more. Grandmother, grandfather, baby, child, son, daughter. Good job. In the next part, we will use all these words to talk about your family in very easy English. This is our final part. Now we practice speaking. Very easy speaking. We will review the words first. Then we will build short sentences. Short sentences are powerful. You do not need big grammar, just clear words. Here is the full review list. Listen carefully. Family. Mother. Father. Sister. Brother. Parents. Grandmother. Grandfather. Baby. Child. Son. Daughter. Now repeat after me. Family. Mother. Father. Sister. Brother. Parents. Grandmother. Grandfather. Baby. Child. Son. Daughter. Excellent. Now we use a simple pattern. Pattern 1. This is my family. Say it. Again. This is my family. Good. Pattern 2. There are 4 people in my family. Say it. You can change the number. 3, 4, 5, 6. Very simple. Pattern 3. This is my mother. This is my father. This is my sister. This is my brother. Good. Pattern 4. My grandmother is kind. My grandfather is old. The baby is small. Now let us build a mini self-introduction. Listen first. This is my family. There are 4 people in my family. This is my mother. This is my father. I have 1 sister. That is all. Short, clear, easy. Now you try with pauses. I will guide you. Say, this is my family. Say, there are people in my family. Say, this is my mother. Say, this is my father. Say, I have 1 sister, or I have 1 brother. Let us do another version. Maybe your family is different. That is fine. Ready? This is my family. There are people in my family. I have sister, or I have sisters. I have brother, or I have brothers. My grandmother is kind. My grandfather is old. You can also say very short, true sentences. My family is small. My family is big. I have parents. I have 1 child. I have a son. I have a daughter. Nice. Keep it simple. Now a speaking exercise. Answer these questions out loud. Who is in your family? How many people are in your family? Do you have a sister? Do you have a brother? Do you have a grandmother? Do you have a grandfather? One more full practice. I will speak, then you speak. This is my family. There are 4 people in my family. This is my mother. This is my father. I have 1 brother. My grandmother is kind. Very, very good. If you want, play this again and repeat everything 1 more time. Repetition helps memory. It really does. I mean, simple repetition is one of the best tools. Listen, repeat, speak. Little by little, you improve. That is the end of today's practice. Today we learned family words and easy family sentences. Good work. Be proud of your English today, and next time we can practice more easy speaking together. Bye for now.